What is up, guys? JT, Resident Dog Fishing. Got a fix it video today, and it has to do with fishing. I broke my trolling motor. I'll show you what I did. I'll show you how we're going to fix it. It's a whole lot easier than I thought it was. Alright, so here's my trolling motor. It's a Minn Kota Riptide 45. I guess there's a freshwater version that's all black in color called the Endura, and trying to find parts on minnkota.com, that's one you got to look for both of them. But there's a little sacrificial part down inside your mount. It's called a T-bar. Comes out of the spring, and these ends are supposed to be square that lock into all the little notches right there on the side for your different trim angles. Well, when you hit something, in my case really shallow water, those are designed to shear off, and they did. What I didn't realize was how easy and cheap of a fix it is. Alright, so that T-bar down in there, it's a sacrificial part. It's designed to break. What I didn't know that it was designed to break. I thought I just broke my motor. So I was going through some really skinny water, and with the tide and current drifting, it pushed the trolling motor up against it, kind of hit the bottom and sheared off one side. I'm like, I can live with one side. It would stay all the way down locked, it would lock all the way up, but on a 45 or halfway up, it would kick up when I put it in full thrust. So I was dealing with it until I broke the other piece last time I was out fishing and forced myself to have to fix it. I would have fixed it long ago if I'd have known how quick, easy, and cheap this fix was. I bought 4 replacements, so I have backups. I spent more in shipping than I did in parts. On Minn Kota's website, they're like $1.09 each. So let me show you the tools you're going to need, and I'll walk you through the process of fixing this so you don't suffer with a broken trolling motor like I did. Let's go. As you can see, this is going to be a really hard project. All he needs is a hammer, punch, maybe needle nose pliers. These two for sure. Alright, so I got my parts. Let me show you how to put them in. Alright, so on your trolling motor bracket, there's 2 pins. There's a pin here, which is your main pivot pin, and there's another small pin here. So we'll start by knocking that one out, then we'll knock that one out. That's it. Hammer and a punch. That one's out. This bracket will come right off. Should. There you go. That punch is too big, but that came out pretty easy. That's where your plier is going to come in. Right from the bottom, comes right out. So look at the new T-bar. It's got a little knob on the end that slides into here. So to get the old one out, lift that up. This slides up and out. Keep tension on it because that sucker will go flying. There's the old one. So you see the new one, that slides in there like that. There's a big loop on the end. That's how that goes in. Spring on the new one. There we go. Get in the right hole. Push it all the way up. Put that in. Now that's in. Put the pin back in. Tap that home. Ba-doom. Put our bracket back on. Alright, so you're putting your bracket back on. You've got these two ends that got to slide over top of here. So start it long and come back in, and everything lines right up. Drive your pin home. Good there, good there. And everything locks into place, just like it should. So there's a new T-bar installed. Locks in. So there you have it. Quick, easy fix for these stupid T-bars on Minn Kota Trolling motors. Took me all of like 5 minutes in the garage. Like I said, I spent more in shipping than I did for the damn parts. But don't do what I did. If you end up shearing these stupid things off, replace it. It's quick and easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the water.